What's up guys, and welcome to the Dim Sum Tech, where I review stuff that I get online, helping you getting the best bang for your buck and then some. Well, today we're gonna take a look at DBrand skin for the AirPods Pro. Well, on my AirPods Pro, I have a very thin case. It's a silicone based case and it's ultra thin. You know, it feels pretty good, but you know, I wanna see if I can reduce a little bit more thickness to my pocket. Because, you know, I have a lot of stuff in my pocket. AirPods Pro, some pens, sometimes even knife, keys, you know how it is, that life. Hopefully the DBrand skin will fit on just right, but I'm kind of nervous because I never installed any skin before, and from every video that I saw online, they look terrible. When real people try to install it, they usually fail. So I want to see if I put in a little bit more effort and time, I think I can pull it off. So we'll see. Anyways guys, let's get into the installing video. I followed everything from the video instructions on how to install it, but I just can't seem to get the corners right. Each corner has this three piece, this piece, and then there's like a line in the middle, and they don't fit well, you know, just because of the shape of the AirPods Pro case. They're difficult, you know, I get it, it's difficult to put it on, but I tried it twice and you see how long it took for me. I spent like an hour and I'm really exhausted just trying to put it on. And I'm kind of wondering, you know, how do people get it right? If you follow tech channels, you probably see Marquez, MKBHD have DBranded skins, but I just can't seem to understand how to get it on the AirPods Pro. I reached out to them on Twitter and they said they're gonna help me, guide me through the installation process. But anyways guys, I'm not gonna ask for a refund or anything. Hopefully it's just a user error. I put in a lot of efforts and I failed. So hopefully you guys don't have to. I don't recommend getting DBrand skins at all. No more DBrand, no more anything, to be honest with you. I'm not even going to try any other companies because they all look terrible, terribly hard to install. It's super hard, it's terrible for your thumbs. It hurts. So save yourself $15 and just get ultra thin case from Amazon. This one is pretty thin and it looks legit. It feels good in the hand. It's not bulky at all. It's pretty thin and it feels sleek. You can still see the charging light, the light indicator here. The wireless charging still works and it costs about $7. So yeah, go with that instead of DBrand skins. So hopefully this video helps you if you're thinking about getting a DBrand skin or just getting an ultra thin case for your AirPods Pro. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is Dim Sum Tech, helping you getting the best bang for your buck and dim sum. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.